124 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just start with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. This process will continue. Now 2 goes into 1 how many times? Actually 2 goes into this one 0 times, because 1 is less than 2. Okay, 0 times 0 times 2 0, subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 12 how many times? 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 2 12, subtract 0, bring down the next digit. 0 4 means 4. 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 goes into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 4, subtract 0. As a remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 062 means 62.